Welcome back to Wallman Woodshop. This is the time of the year where Makers Rock comes into play. What is Makers Rock? It is a bunch of makers getting together and recreating a album of a year or years or decade or a decade, right? 10 years is a decade. This year is the 1990s. What we do is we take 12 inches, 12 by 12, make a album cover, recreate it, and we give it away to a lucky viewer or whoever enters the giveaway. Last year I was lucky enough to be involved. This year I am participating once again, and I believe there's like 30 people or 30 makers. I will go over the names in 1 minute. I know Appetite for Destruction came out in 1987, I believe. I was going too fast, and when I put 90s rock albums, that album came up, and I'm like, that's one of the albums I liked, and I didn't even research what year it came out. So luckily, they let me keep doing it, so I have a little twist in my album, so we'll see. You'll have to watch the video. So the makers are Matt Haas from Awesome Wood Things, Ryan Bitters from Waylight Creations, AJ Merrill from Woodified, Dylan Taylor from Dylan's DIY Workshop, Kenneth Hayes Geary Jr. from Kaged Creations. You can't have a Maker's Rock without the man himself, Steve Carmichael from the Carmichael Workshop, Carl Jacobson, the Silver Fox himself, Jamie Page from JP Woodwork, Bill, I'm sorry Bill, and anybody else's name that I really butcher, Kolikowski, Taste the Code, Andrew Setters, Donald LeBlanc from Fun with Woodworking, Tim Warner from Timberworker, Michael A. me, just trying to read it fast, Zach Manring from Southern Ginger Workshop, Chris Philhauer, Wallman Woodshop, Sophie Lewis from Make It Soph, Eloy Escagedo from Escagedo Woodworking, David Jones from Portal Woodworks, Steve Nealon from Harneal Media, who's also a sponsor of my website, Herb Lichtenberg, Steve Twidell from Templeboy Turnings, Charles Dearing, my buddy. Well, a lot of guys are my buddies, but Charles, he knows why he's my buddy. Mark Lindsay from MarkLindsayCNC, Al Forte with Odessa Woodworking, and I messed up. Oh, okay. Al Forte from Odessa Woodworking and Maker Show, I think. Cut off on me, sorry, Al. John Clothier, sorry, John. The Woodworking Shed with John Clothier, Robert Didinsky from Kaged Creations, Pam Harris from Highlandboxes, Todd from Wood Frontier, Clark Schwenke from CO Schwenke and Sons, DJ Gaylor from SoCoMO Woodwork, OJ Stevens from OJ Woodworking Crafts, Christopher Smith, the Woodgineer, Javi Unzuela from Javi's Woodshop, Alex Krause from Alex Krause, and Shelly Cole from Mom Know What Mom Knows. I will leave a link to everybody's YouTube channel down in the description below. Please check them out. Please subscribe. All our videos should be out, I believe Tuesday. We're going to release them all, and there should be a playlist somewhere. I think we're getting one together. We will have that in the description on our videos. So please like, comment, share, subscribe, and as always, be safe.